Oh yeah. Yeah, work that. Update on OBS. Yeah, we set off alarms around here. I just needed a little break from her. Transmission was shifting funny. Throwing a few codes. Yeah. Gotta make sure I'm still at this spot. See, I can drive it and I get the gas or whatever, but you see it's going, but it's not really doing what it's supposed to do. So it is what it is. I'm about to just swap out this harness, put a whole new another harness on there one time. And I really can't drive it too fast. I got a motor beat. I got a motor beat in the back, so listen. See, now I want to take off. So I gotta scan and see what new codes it got. And yep. I'm about to just put a new harness on there. I was just trying to save that 500, but at this point, I'm tired of it. I just want to get the truck out of my face. And then people over here cussing. Yeah, I just want to get it out of my face. So I'm about to spin the bread and yep, get her out of here. Oh, it didn't go in reverse. Got to make the yeah. See, now it's going in reverse. It reversed A1. I could do a quarter mile with the reverse on, boy. But that's all, folks. Small update.